Hey guys, welcome to another episode, and today I'm going to take a few minutes to talk about the DELTA DRY LATH, the proper use of the product, details, and some of the common questions that we received at the office. Just to show you how easy it is to use the product, how to detail the product, and there is nothing new or special required for the installation of the product. We're going to discuss it on this little model that shows all the proper components. So once the DELTA bug screen is installed, we install our DELTA DRY LATH. So essentially what you do is you place the bottom piece of the DELTA DRY LATH and set it on top of the bug screen. You nail it in place with your roofing nails, and you have this nailing bench provided showing you exactly where you're going to put the nails in. This is every 6 inches vertically, because you have to nail 6 inches vertically into the stud and 16 inches horizontally into the stud. That's a building code requirement. This is the same idea if you would be installing a metal lath. So with this product, we remove the metal lath for you, so it's one component, so it saves you on the installation cost and our additional steps. So once you fasten the DELTA DRY LATH, you install your starter strip. This starter strip is sometimes called a J-trim starter strip, depending on area of the country you are. This is nothing new, nothing special. You use the same component that you would use if you install stucco directly against your WRB. So different parts of the area, they have a different name for it, but essentially just a starter strip. And what you do, you peel back the glass lath, install the starter, put the starter strip on, put the glass lath back onto the starter strip, you nail it in place, and it's ready to go. Hey guys, so as you can see here, we have a typical wood frame construction, stud wall, wood sheeting on the exterior, and the first detail that we're showing over here that you're going to see in this particular model is the connection between the foundation and the wall. What we did was we used our Delta flashing to make sure this area of the foundation wall is airtight and watertight. The next thing that you see on this model is our water resistive barrier. The water resistive barrier is installed on a wood base sheeting. We have a kick-out flashing over here. Now this kick-out flashing is not a requirement of the DELTA DRY LATH, it's the requirement of the water resistive barrier.